Hello my friends, it's Donna from Inspired to Create Facebook group, and as part of our swap we had to create a Valentine's tassel for our partner. There was no size given, but I am making mine extra long so she can use it to decorate her craft room. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my lace and I'm going to lay it down. And then I'm going to put this piece down. And I'm just going to build it. Going to put my next widest piece down. And just build it by how wide they are. Just layering. Just like that. Just lining them up. I want these two pieces on top, but I've just got several layers that I've added here. I have two of these, so I'm going to put them towards the outer with the ruffled edge facing out. Same thing on this one, the ruffled edge facing out. Then I've got this ribbon. I want to put it toward the outside. Just building layers, that's all that I'm doing. And one strand of pearls. Okay, next I've got my little clip. Okay, you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. I'm going to slide that down to the middle. Okay, raising it up very carefully. I want to make sure I have everything even, Steven. Okay, going to lay it down. Just like that. Now, I don't know where my wide ribbon is like this, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to slide it down under there. I'm going to lift that up, and I'm going to come right under there, just like that. And I'm going to cut myself a pretty good little length, probably about 14 inches. I'm going to wrap that around, and I'm going to tie that. Trying not to wrinkle. Just like that. Because I want that to hold. Okay. I'm going to straighten out, making sure that I've got everything pulled down over that like I want it. I've got my pearls in the center there at the top. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is hold this piece. I'm going to wrap this around, okay? Then I'm going to wrap this one around. And you can do several layers like that. I'm only going to do a short piece. And then I'm going to tie it again. Into a knot. Alright, next I have this little heart charm. I'm going to slide it onto there. And let's tie one more knot there. And if I have enough, I'm going to make a little bow. See if I have enough to do that. I may not have enough. I may not have cut it long enough. But we shall see. Oh yes, it worked. We have enough. Okay, so now we have our Valentine's tassel. I'm just going to go back and just kind of play with it and get it to the way that I want. Easy to make, simple to make, fun to make. And we've got all our little laces, we've got our beads. Probably could have used a couple more strands of the beads, but it is what it is. And that's my Valentine's tassel for my swap with Marcia Falk. There you have it. We have all these beautiful laces. We have this beautiful ribbon. We have this beautiful lace. And this vintage lace. We have our beads. We have this beautiful lace. We have this beautiful ribbon lace. We have this beautiful white lace. And this white seam binding. And then we have this beautiful wide lace. And it just continues on through the layers. And that's what we have. And it came out really pretty. I love it. Love, love, love it. And it's nice and long, so she can hang it in her workroom, craft room, sewing room, sewing space, wherever she wants to hang it. And there you go. She can clip it onto something if she wants to. She can take the laces off and use them if she wants to, but there we have it. So far we have our altered heart box and our tassel. And I did go back and add in one of my handmade stick pins to the heart box that I had made previously, and I love the way that came out. Okay, so that's it for tonight. I am going to go watch some TV with my husband now and spend some time with him. But there you have it. So thank y'all. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.